So quite recently, there was an investigation going on the murders of 39 bodies because one of them is actually a teenager, and I believe 38 of them is actually adults. So because of this number here, 39 bodies, it's way higher than Ted Bundy's murder count, to be honest. So I don't know if there's gonna be like another serial killer coming to this country, or maybe they actually are from this country. I don't know, but this number to actually appear from today is just unbelievable. It is out from a horror story, to be honest. 39 bodies coming out from a story and appearing in real life. That's like a nightmare come true, to be honest. So I'm just really shocked to hear about that. Really shocked. Because of how many numbers there are, because of how many deaths there are. And it reminds me of that like serial killer who murder woman actually take some of the hair inside the truck, to be honest. So it's like this kind of serial killer. Serial. If it came from a documentary of the world's most evil killers. Who's it? I can't find him. Damn it. But anyways, it reminds me of that serial killer who actually killed the people back a long time ago, and they were like investigation, and for like something like out from story to appear today, it's just unbelievable. So that's my thoughts. It's just I never expected something like this to happen, to be honest.